Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of these garage wall racks. How much weight do they hold? How easy they are to put up, and really how long it might take to install. Check this out. So these come in a set. There's actually two sets here side by side, two sets here side by side. And I think they're about 16 inches, so 32 inches in this example with them end to end. And they come with all required hardware, that, screws, bolts, anchors, all that fun stuff. And they hold up to, I think, like 630 pounds. I'm not going to test that out on the walls here. But I think that would probably dictate if you can get screwed into some studs, which these are from an example standpoint. Each one of these has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 5. So really 10 screws per, like anchors, per rack, if you will. So if you may not hit all studs, you might hit 1 or 2 studs. Like I think in both of these examples, I was able to hit 2 studs with each one because of how the walls are configured, but pretty simple to use. And the cool part is that they allow you to adjust kind of on the fly. So in this example, these are just configured to where you can just take them off. And then they have like a channel. You kind of find exactly where you want it and then snap it into place. And then it's like on there. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. Close up of how it works. Pops out like that. You can see the channel. The channel looks like this. You hug the top part, snaps in place. You can see it's kind of grooved. There's a little bit of groove going on there. And that's what kind of holds it in place. Whether you have like a good bit of weight, I like this because, depending on the wall space, you got some options, because if you want to put them all in one long row, you can definitely do that. Or in this example, you could have 2 rows, or if you wanted to have them completely all separate, you really could have 4 different spots to hang. The brackets are like, these are individual. Then they have 2 sets of these double brackets. So these are kind of 2 in 1, and some of them are a little bit longer, so they kind of hang off the wall a little bit farther. So like in this example, I'd say they protrude about 1 foot, roughly about 1 foot off the wall, and they have a little bit of a lip on them like this. They're covered in this like really heavy gauge rubber, just to kind of help, like a non-slip material. And, so if you have something that, like an axe like this has got a good bit of weight to it, that's not going anywhere. These are obviously much lighter. You got tools, edgers, whatever it is, that's holding up a good bit of weight. So full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do us a favor? Can you do a little tutorial, a little overview, see how long it takes to install, and does it do what we say it can do? Hopefully any and all your questions got answered about these. Very cool, very easy to use, and convenient because you can rearrange it however you like. Wall racks, and we'll talk to you soon.